Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to show you exactly how you can make $1,500 per video on YouTube. Now I'm going to show you the whole process, exactly how you're going to select products to promote on YouTube, exactly how you set the whole system up. I'll show you the funnel that I use. I'll show you how I set up my pages. Everything you need to know will be in this video, so stick around, especially if you're a newbie. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make really good money on YouTube with affiliate marketing just by making very simple videos, guys. So guys, if you haven't been over to the channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you want to learn how to start off on YouTube with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the Simple Traffic Blueprint. You'll see the link in the description below. It's the exact training that I took when I first started online, and now I've got a channel that makes me money every single day on YouTube. So guys, the first thing you need to do is find products to promote online. Now in my make money online niche, there's some classic places you can go like Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, where there's lots of different products there that you can go ahead and promote. And if you make a sale, you make a commission. That's how affiliate marketing works. Now, if you want to come outside of that and go to different types of niches, most kind of softwares online or even services online have some kind of affiliate program. Even if it's something like an email provider, they'll always have some kind of affiliate program. Then this process will work for all of those as well. In this particular one, I'm going to show you Clickbank. Now, if you want to promote things in various types of niches, Clickbank is always quite good, and I'm going to show you that marketplace because there's products there from lots of different types of niches like diet, like finance, like make money online, lots of different examples of different types of products. So it's a good way that you can get started because there's a lot of variety there and you're not stuck in the make money online niche. So we're going to show you Clickbank to start with, and that's going to be my affiliate marketplace. What I then do is I go ahead and I select a product from there, which I'm going to show you how to do, and I create a video that actually shows people what that product's all about, and that's called a review video. Now once I create that video, I put that on YouTube. Now when people come across that, what a lot of people do when they're going to buy a product is they actually search for reviews online. The great thing about YouTube is it shows very high in Google rankings, and I'll actually show you, I'll actually go to the product that I'm actually going to show you here, and I'll show you how high it is in Google rankings. Now people look for those reviews because they want to know what's inside that product and whether it's any good. Now if they like the look of your review, you have a link in the description below, and you actually point and make sure that people understand that, and they come over to your review page or your bonus page. You don't always have to give bonuses if you're completely new. Once they see your bonus page, you have a link there with the affiliate link for the product, which they go and click that, and then hopefully they go over to the sales page and they go and purchase that. Now I have some add-ons here. I have an opt-in page and a bonus page that I actually provide my bonuses with, and I like people to opt into that because they're my own bonuses. I make them myself, and also I have an email process set up here, which if you're a beginner you don't necessarily need to have, but if you ask people to opt in to go and get your bonus, then they can go on your email list and you can market to them on a later basis. Now that is always a very good idea because there might be other good products and services that you want to recommend to those folks as well. So this is the whole process here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this particular product has been set up so that it's made me that $1,500 online. So what we'll do is first we'll jump over to Clickbank, and I'll show you how to use Clickbank. So here we are over on the Clickbank site. Now this is a marketplace that sells lots of different types of products. So what it allows you to do is, if you're a vendor and you're a product creator, you can put your products on here, and then affiliates can come along and actually use the links that they provide to promote your goods and services, and they actually get a commission. I'm going to show you one of the products that I'm actually going to showcase in this particular video. Now if you have not been over there before, go ahead and sign up. Usual things, they'll ask you for various things like your countries. Most countries are included, guys. There might be a few exceptions, but most of them are included here. Put your details in here, and then they may ask you some more information around your banking once you actually get into the site, because they want to pay you. Now they either pay you by check or by banker's draft, and that's an automatic payment after say 30 days. Now if somebody buys a product, there's always going to be a guarantee on that, and if it's a 30-day guarantee, you need to wait for those 30 days before you get your commission. That's the way that it all works, and I'm going to show you inside Clickbank now and explain to you how the actual marketplace works. So we're inside the Clickbank marketplace. Now what you have here on the left hand side is lots of different niches. Now if you want a full tutorial on Clickbank and a kind of a beginner's guide, I will leave a link in the description below to a different video I've done that shows you click by click how to select great products on Clickbank. But for the purposes of this, on the left hand side, these are the categories that you would go ahead and search if you wanted to have different niches over and above the make money online type niche that you want to go ahead and promote goods in. So you've got cooking, food and wine, computers and internet, e-business and marketing, which tends to be those make money online products. You have arts and entertainment here, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages. Anything you really need is here, and you can find products to actually promote in your particular niche. But for the purpose of this, I just want to show you the product that I'm going to showcase in this particular video. Now, just to show that I have made the money that I promised you, this is actually the update from the last year of this particular product I'm going to show you now, called ConversioBot. Now, as you see here, this is $1,411 on ConversioBot in the last year for one 20-minute video. Now, I've also made AdSense on that video, as I'll show you when I get into YouTube. So far, one 20-minute video has made me $1,500, and it's very, very simple to do. I'm going to explain how you do that. So what it would do is I'll come back to the marketplace here, and all I want to do in this case is search for ConversioBot, which is the product I'm going to show you. Now, here is ConversioBot. Now, this is basically a product that allows you to put a chatbot on your various pages. You can have chatbots that will actually pop up. They have chatbots that just sit in the corner, and they act as like customer service type chatbots, or even drive traffic, leads and sales over to whatever product or service you're trying to promote. So it's a very, very good product. It's one that I actually use every single day on my own websites, and I know that this is going to give people good value. So I really, really like this product. Now, what you can do here is just go ahead and hit the affiliate page here. This gives you all the information, basically, if you're going to promote this, that you would need as an affiliate. So all you need to do is go through this, and then you go ahead and get your links from this particular page as well. Again, go and check out the video in the description below. It'll explain to you in a lot more detail all about Clickbank, okay? So if I want to go and promote this, I just hit this very quickly. I can get myself a hop link here, which is a generate hop links, and I can put a tracking ID in here, and it'll actually show you where those sales are coming from. So if I just go back to these sales, interestingly enough, you will see that my tracking ID here is all coming from YouTube. Every single sale came from that YouTube video, okay? So so far I've gone ahead and I've selected my particular product that I want to promote, and in this case is ConversioBot. So once we go ahead and select that, we want to go and create a video. So if I go back to YouTube, this is the video that I created for ConversioBot. So you can see it's actually a 27-minute long video, and basically this is a video that I show what ConversioBot does, and I get all the information that I need from the sales page, from actually purchasing the product myself and using the product, and just demonstrating how that product actually works. So as I go through the various parts of this, I'll show people inside ConversioBot, as you can see here, and the various parts of ConversioBot, and explain exactly what it does. Now, in some parts of this video I'm actually on camera, in other parts I'm not. You don't have to be on camera to actually do this method at all. You can go ahead and just video your screen and have you explaining about that product on your screen. And all you need to do really is look at one of my reviews, and you'll see the format that you do these reviews. And basically what you're doing is you're telling people all about the product itself, what it's for, who it's aimed at, how it actually works, the kind of functionality within inside the product, and then also the kind of prices. So are there any additional prices that people are expected to pay? All those kind of good information that people would want to know. And they really do like these types of reviews, because it gives them a good insight before they go ahead and decide to purchase. Now, these reviews show up really well. Now, if I just go ahead and search for this on YouTube, I'm going to show you where these actually rank. Now, my ConversioBot happens to be the highest ranked ConversioBot review on YouTube, 2,700 views so far, and you'll see that I'm #1 position. Now, if I go on to Google and do the same thing, so you see that I put ConversioBot review. If I just scroll down here, you'll find that I'm the #1 video under videos for ConversioBot reviews. And also, if I just go ahead and I jump into videos itself, #2, there's somebody up there, which is Facebook.com. I've actually posted this on Facebook as well, and that's always a good thing to do. And the ConversioBot review and demo, that's the #5 spot on here as well. So you see that these rank really well on Google as well as on YouTube. So you can see this video is ranking really well on YouTube. Now, what you'll do in the video is you'll ask people to hit the link in the description below and go over to the review page if they're interested in that product. So So if this, go ahead and click here, you'll make a little page up like this. Now these are very easy. I actually use a page builder called Thrive Themes. There's lots of different ones out that you can use, and you just put together a very simple review page that people come along to, and they can see your video on it, and also you can have any kind of bonuses that you want to offer with this particular product, which is what I've done here. Now if you're completely new, I know that sometimes having bonuses can be kind of distracting because you're not quite sure what to give people. I wouldn't really bother putting bonuses on pages unless you really had something of additional value to give. I would just give the basic review and then go from there, and then over time you'll start giving people more and more different types of bonuses. So if they come along here, then they click on here, they go through your affiliate link, and they'll come to the page here, and then they'll go ahead and they'll purchase this particular product if they're interested. Now the other thing you can do on the actual review page itself, you can have an opt-in on that particular page itself if you want to do any kind of additional marketing, or you need people to opt in for the actual bonus. That's always a good thing to do if you can have a opt-in page on there, because it allows you to contact people at a later basis and actually give them more and more value, and also promote different types of products and services to them. Okay, so that's the second thing you could do, and I have other products on YouTube where I do exactly that. Okay, so basically this is the whole process, guys. What you need to do, you find a product that you actually want to go ahead and promote, you create a video for it, very simple review video, you go ahead and post that on YouTube, you create some kind of review page or bonus page that people come across to, then there's an affiliate link that you'll get for that product over to the sales page, and you can make those purchases. Now again, it's always good to have this additional email marketing and actually grow your list at the same time. There is some added bonuses of using YouTube as well, guys. Now you can go ahead and get monetized after you've got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now that took me just under a year to do, so I'm not going to kind of BS you and say that you're going to get that overnight. But if you do this method and you do this tactic on a regular basis, then you will have a lot of people coming over to your videos, and you'll soon be able to get lots of subscribers and that watch time. Okay, now the other thing I have on this particular video by being monetized is I've got an extra $130 worth of AdSense revenue, and this is just over 6 months worth of AdSense revenue for this particular video. Now of course I've got 300 videos on my channel, so you can see that I'm going to get a substantial amount of money every single month just from my AdSense revenue. And just as an aside, this has been viewed also another 24 times over the last 2 days, which means on a regular basis I'm getting sales of this product every single week, and again it's adding to that $1,400 worth of revenue, which is now completely passive, and that's what we all want, right? So guys, I've just shown you the exact method that I use to earn money with YouTube every single day. Now if you want to learn how to do this, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the Simple Traffic Blueprint. It's going to show you exactly how I started online, and now I've got a YouTube channel that earns me money every single day with over 6,000 subscribers. It makes me affiliate income every day, and also makes me AdSense revenue. If you want to do the same, hit that link in the description below and we'll teach you exactly how to do it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope that was valuable to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I publish new videos. Until next time, guys, take care.